In today's video, we'll cover how to customize invoice templates in Xero. If you're new to the software, customizing your invoices can make a huge difference in the way you present your business to clients. Whether you want to add your logo, change colors, or adjust the layout, Xero gives you the flexibility to tailor your invoices to fit your branding needs. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to make your invoices look professional and unique. Before we dive in, I just want to quickly mention that you can try Xero completely free through the link in the description below, and you'll get exclusive bonuses that will help you get started faster. Now let's jump into customizing invoice templates. First, open Xero and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, click on Invoice Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all the templates that Xero offers. Here, you'll see a variety of standard templates that Xero automatically applies to your invoices, but we're going to focus on how you can make these templates your own. To start, click on Edit next to the template you want to customize. This is where the fun begins. You can upload your company logo by simply clicking on the logo space and choosing the image file from your computer. This is a great way to give your invoices a professional look that aligns with your brand. Next, you'll see options to adjust things like the font, color, and layout of the template. Xero allows you to change the font style, size, and color to match your brand's identity. Whether you prefer a clean, modern style or something more classic, Xero makes it easy to implement your preferences, but it doesn't stop there. You can also customize the fields that appear on your invoices. For instance, if you don't need to display a purchase order number, you can remove that field altogether. You can also add custom fields, such as a discount section or additional information relevant to the invoice. This customization is ideal for businesses that need specific details on their invoices. One of the most useful features in Xero's invoice template customization is the ability to set default payment terms. For example, you can set payment terms to be due in 30 days, or you can create a custom period depending on your business needs. You can also customize the footer, where you might include things like payment instructions or tax details. The more you personalize, the more professional and streamlined your invoices will look. Now, let's talk about how to preview and save your customized template. Once you've made all the changes, Xero lets you preview the template by clicking on the Preview button. This is your chance to see exactly what your invoices will look like before you send them out to clients. If everything looks good, click Save and you're done. You can now start using your custom invoice template for all future invoices. As a bonus tip, Xero allows you to create multiple templates for different types of invoices. So, for example, if you need different templates for different services or clients, you can create those and select which one you want to use each time you create an invoice. That's how you customize invoice templates in Xero. By following these steps, you can ensure that every invoice you send is not only professional, but perfectly tailored to your business needs. Remember, you can access Xero for free with the link below and enjoy exclusive bonuses that make getting started easier than ever. Take advantage of this offer and see how Xero can simplify your invoicing process today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to customize your invoices for a personal touch that shows your clients you mean business.